How is it to live in the middle of Berlin?
Exciting.
In the very center.
Yeah, it is kind of the center, but isn't it the center of West Berlin? Not the center. There is no center of Berlin anymore.
Aha.
Yeah, that's what I've learned.
Hello, my name is Molly Fried. I'm originally from Columbus, Ohio, and this is a short look into the sites and people that influence my everyday life here as a Jewish Service Corps Fellow in Berlin.
This is an important issue to enhance Jewish identity within German Jewry.
Yeah.
Because the majority will not provide you the opportunity to let your children know about Jewish values.
Hi, I'm Flora. I'm the director of Bambini, which is a center for early childhood education in Berlin. One of our central aims is to enhance Jewish families have access to Jewish holidays in a playful and cultural way.
Dem jeden bringt der Schabes Riemen noch Gleichgewicht. Sind der Schabes jeden in der Früh. Azafrum jak bin ich, Azafrum jak bin ich, Azafrum jak bin ich.
Hello, my name is Ifad, and I'm Molly's neighbor. Welcome to La Mass Student Cafe.
Hi, I'm Ruthie. I'm from Arizona. I'm going to college here for the year, and I'm taking German class with Molly.
Okay.
Привет, Нью-Йорк! Я тебя люблю! Я хочу в тебя!
Hi, I'm Shani. I'm working in the Israeli embassy. I'm from Israel. I'm going to be here like 2 years. I met Molly in the Lava. She's my best friend. And bye. Shalom.
Dankeschön, JDC. Tschüss.